Hello guys, welcome back. Today I would like to do a quick unboxing and packaging of my new little toy. What I have here is OSMO Pocket. Let's have a look inside.
That's a good one!
Yeah, content!
And this is the main thing. Oh my god. I mean, I knew it was gonna be small, but I did not expect this to be so tiny. This is crazy small. Oh my god. I mean, look at it. I don't have the biggest hand in the world, but compare this to an iPhone. And this is not a Pro, this is not a maxi version. This is just a normal 11. That's crazy. So it comes with a case. What else is inside? By the way, this is not the kind of review of a product where people tell you everything about it. I know nothing about it. I mean, I know something, but not enough to tell you anything new. Those are the adapters, so you can connect your phone. Basically, your phone connects like that, so you have a screen. I thought it would be amazing to get this little device. Well, it's not really a device, it's an expansion kit. This kit contains 3 very interesting bits of kit. Well, 4 to be precise. For starters, you can never have enough memory cards. Another 32 gig card. Brilliant. This is basically to control your gimbal. You switch between up and down or horizontal and right. By the way, I'm really sorry for my voice. I've been sick for a little bit and I don't know where it came from. I just lost my voice. This little gizmo so you can attach to a normal GoPro mount. This is an adapter, wireless adapter. You can also use it to charge. So basically it becomes like a docking station. So you charge your device, but also this becomes your wireless adapter. So now I can control this and the gimbal using only my phone. So the main idea was I would be able to attach this to the chase car on a normal GoPro mount, and then I would be able to control this from inside the car. So it will be like one of those or one of those. And this, friends, that was a free gift. Apparently they retail for like £79, but because it was a promotional offer from DJI, gave it to me for free. What this is, essentially, wow, this is basically a selfie stick. You attach your phone here, like that. Okay, let's power this on. English. It basically just asked me if I would like to download the app. Now we've downloaded the app. Activation successful. Notice. So we can insert card. We need to download new firmware. Now that we have an updated firmware, we control it from the phone. Let's try the adapter. This is brilliant. Hi OSMO Pocket. Let's see how far away it will work. I'm about 3 meters away. is a bit of a delay, but for what I wanted to do, considering this is going to be the front of the camera of the car, it should be plenty fine. This is 4K at 48 frames a second. Interesting. 1, 2, 3. God, my voice is terrible today. So right now we're testing it at 4K. He's Barney outside of my studio. He's not sure what's going on. Say hello, barn dog. I mean, I have some lights over here, but this is semi-dark conditions and it's beautiful. Is Misha came out to say hello? Hi, Misha. This is my lovely race car. Came back from Bedford yesterday. All seems to be in order. Takes a little bit of time. I'm just testing the sound quality from this far away. I'm about 3 meters away. I can definitely control the camera still. It's with a little bit of a delay, but it works. I guess overall I'm happy. Okay guys, I really wanted to make it short and quick and straight to the point. So I'm gonna end it here. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video if you liked it. Click like if you didn't like it. Please do leave me comments below. What would you like me to do with it? Do you think my idea with attaching this camera to the front of the car on the chase car is gonna work or not? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.